overhead. All right, let's go to 100 prep position. Right, so we breathe out. Let's take the arms up, and then we lift the chest up and taking your arms down by the side of your pelvis here. Now I'd like you to really use abdominal to lengthen the back down on the floor. And can we come up a little higher? And then take the arms up and then return back down. And let's repeat. As we exhale, arms up. Then we lift the chest. In breath, arms and down. And exhale. In breath and come down. Let's do 2 more. Exhale. In breath. Last one. Exhale. And in breath. And come on down. Well done. Now I'd like you to stretch the leg closer to me. And then down on the floor. And then turn your body facing the side. All right, here, tuck the knees in again. Stack the legs together and have your feet aligned with your spine. Interlacing your hands at the back of your head. Now I'd like you to lift or engage the underneath side of your body. Okay, so your spine in a beautiful straight line and your bottom waist or obliques is activated. Right here, moving to a chest opener. We inhale as we open the elbow and rotate back, looking behind you. Exhale. Come on back. And again, we inhale. Exhale. And in breath. Let's do 2 more here. Exhale. Last one, inhale. Exhale. And center. Release the top hand, place in the front of you and reach the bottom arm underneath you here. Now stabilize the pelvis. Let's move on to our climb. So we're going to open the top leg, keep the pelvis stable, and then we close. And we exhale. And then we close. And on 3, let's do 10 of this. And 4. And 5. Make sure your pelvis doesn't flop backward as you open the knee, but really the movement only comes from the hip joint. So you're activating the external rotators of the glute muscles. And again, 2 more. All right, last one. And release. Extend the top leg long and let's take the bottom foot forward a little bit more here. Okay, now reach the top leg long and lift it up and then just relax the foot. We're going to do a little circle here. So stabilizing the pelvis, you can actually place your hand here if you like. We take the leg forward and up, circle around and back. And let's do 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 9 and 10. The other way. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reach it long and then release down. Bend the knee. Help yourself up. Coming up to a little mermaid position. So watch my leg. Position here. Well done. Let's take the underneath arm up to the ceiling and go ahead. Give yourself a nice beautiful side stretch here. Try to have those sitting bones grounded on the floor. And then open chest, long arm, and stretch away. And come back. Okay, let's go to the other side. So we start with the chest opener. Tuck the feet together, knees together, interlacing the hands behind your head, lifting the underneath side of the body. Okay, now here, let's go. Inhale. We open the chest. Exhale. We close. And in breath. And rotate. Exhale. We close. 2 more. In breath. Exhale. Last one. And exhale. Come back. Okay, now extend the underneath arm. Okay, let's move on to our clamp. Again, stabilizing the pelvis, and we open the thigh. And we close. And then 2. Say we did 10 on the other side. We're going to do 10 here. 3. And 4. 5. Again, you can place your hand on the pelvis just to give yourself a little tactile cue here. All right, and I lost count. I think we got 2 more. And 2. All right, last one. And release. Okay, moving on. Stretch the top leg. Take the bottom foot forward. Okay, reach the leg away and relax the foot. Let's go 2 legs. Circle. 1. And then 2. And 3. And 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. The other way. 1. And 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Reach away and then bring it in on down. Bring the knee in, help yourself up into a mermaid stretch here. And let's take the underneath arm, bring it up to the ceiling. Can we go as tall as we can, and then take yourself to a nice side stretch here. Again, open chest, long back, and let's take it lower. Okay, and let it go. All right, let's face the front of your mat. We're going to move on to our spine stretch. So I like you sit perching on the pelvis, on your sitting bone. Create a nice long spine here. Now stretch your legs if you can't, otherwise you may bend the knees and have your feet slightly wider than your pelvis here. So I like you keep the upright position and stretch your legs as much as you can and dorsiflex the feet. Now once you have that, take your arms forward. All right, let's breathe out and articulate the spine down. So we're gonna roll down and forward through the spine, and then just tip the pelvis forward at the end. And exhale, let's roll the spine back up again and bring your body into upright position. And again, exhale, we knot the chin down to your chest and then continue articulating the spine forward and down, and then hinge the pelvis forward at the end range. In breath. Exhale, pick up the belly and then roll up the spine and come up into a beautiful long back. And again, 2 more. Exhale, we roll down. We hinge forward at end. In breath. Exhale, we roll up. And we come up. Last one. Exhale, we roll down and tip the pelvis forward at the end range. In breath. And exhale, roll the spine up. And this time, can we just take your arms up to the ceiling, and can we create that beautiful long alignment of the spine? Stretch it up, stretch it long, and let it go. All right, bring the feet in, go into a quadruped position, and then we are going to finish up with a cat stretch. So, shoulder and the heel of the palm in one alignment, knee and your hips at this alignment 2, and then broad shoulder, breath out, pulling that belly in. So you want to have a beautiful, strong kind of table-like position here. Open chest, long neck, and then as you breathe out, we are going to pull the abdominal wall in, and then we're going to flex the spine. And what it is rounding the back, and then lengthening through the spine, passing the neutral. Now hold the lower abs and then take the upper chest up into extension. Keep the neck nice and long here, and then breath out, push the floor away as you draw the abdominal wall to your spine, rounding the back, and then through a neutral spine, hold the pelvis, hold the abdominal, then take the upper chest up to extension. Again, we breathe out, rounding and flat, and sternum forward and up. Again, we breathe out and back to a long back. Inhale, upper back, extend into an extension. And last one, exhale, rounding and through neutral. And then as you inhale, take the upper back into extension as you arch. Hold the abdominal so you don't sag the lower spine down to the floor. And back to the neutral. And then I want you to send the pelvis down to the heels. And then stretch your arms long away from your shoulder, away from your pelvis for the rest position. Let's give me one set of breath here. We inhale. Exhale. And an in breath. As we exhale, let's roll the spine up to a seated position, lifting up nice and tall. Well done. That's all for today. Thank you for joining me. I wish you a lovely day.